This video is going to show you how to convert easily between degrees and radians. Okay, so first of all, what matters is what setting your document is in. So to check that, go to Doc, Settings and Status, Document Settings. Okay, so my document is in degrees. Now, let's say I'm doing a question and I get radians, like it involves 1.2 radians. So the question is, what is that in degrees? So I enter 1.2 and I go press pi, and then I use a little R symbol. This is telling the calculator that I mean 1.2 radians. I press enter and look what it does. It gives me the equivalent degrees. Okay, so that's the degrees answer. So what about pi, for instance? We could actually use pi and then say that's radians, and then press enter. 180 degrees, that's exactly what we would expect. So that is handy if you want to stay in degrees mode and you need to convert radians to degrees. Now what about the other way around? Let's put our document in radians mode. Okay, so now in radians mode, and let's say we get 120 degrees. Now I need that in radians. So I put 120 in, I press my pi again, but I get all these options. So I'll put my degrees, press enter, and I get the equivalent angle in radians. Okay, now let's try 90 degrees and see what we get. 90 degrees, and then press enter. They're saying it's 1.5708. Okay, so what about if I put 180? I wonder what they'll do. 180 degrees, enter, and there it is, a approximation of pi. So they're not actually giving me the symbol pi, they're giving me always the numerical value.